guys, so this is a total ad hoc video because I actually wanted to do this like nicely, like sit at home and talk about my hair and what I want to do. But so happened actually I just came by the salon to just check out like how much will it be to actually get my hair done. I actually want to do highlights. I want to do highlights and sort of trim the ends and frame the face a bit and just put some color in because it's actually growing from the root, like if you can see, especially if I tie up my hair. Can you see? It's all black in the front, so I just wanted to add some highlights. I didn't want to do another coat of brown. And then when I came to the salon today, surprisingly they were like, yeah, you can do it now itself. So I'm just gonna go in. So I just want to quickly give you an overview of my hair and sort of take you guys on this journey of me. Oh my god, look at my hair, you guys. It's so dry and fried, like fried. So we're gonna just get a slight trim. I want him to maintain the length because I think short hair, like really short, doesn't suit me anymore. I've become chubbier and I want to grow my hair long. Like that's the end objective. So I want to put highlights that are really light, like blonde highlights. So let's see how this goes. So let's go. Hi guys, so I'm back home. I'm so happy with the way it has turned out. Like I like this ombre, like because my hair was already brown, so it's just given it like a bit of dimension. If you can see, I am loving it. But maybe I might go in for another touch up. Like when I do this to my hair, I would like to see some highlights here as well. But overall, I love this place. So this is actually run by I think a guy and his wife, and they're so cute. They're this really cute couple, and they're so accommodating. Like when I went in, I discussed with him. I said I needed a trim, but I wanted to maintain my length. I just wanted some layers thrown in because I've got a bit of a wavy hair, and I wanted everything to bounce like what it's doing now. And yeah, so they were really accommodative. The girl was super cute. She was the one helping me to film a lot of the shots. So thank you to her. I will show you their business card in a while so that you can check them out if you're in Ipoh. They're really reasonable for this whole thing. So I did like really blonde highlights and whole head highlights, and I had a trim, layers thrown in and all that stuff. The whole thing was 80 ringgit. So such a beautiful place. Thank you so much for actually doing this for me. Like, I'm really excited. And yep, so if you're in Ipoh, I think it's worth it to actually check them out. Like, I can't stop looking at myself in the mirror. Like, it looks super blonde, but the black is sort of meshed inside. It looks nice. Like, my hair has actually got dimensions now. So if you can see like the before and after, you would actually notice the amount of difference in my hair. My hair was so bad before that, and I've never taken a picture like from the back to actually know like what's actually going on. So when she actually took the first shot for me, I was like, oh my gosh, my hair is so bad. Anyways, I'm so glad we fixed it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, me doing something a bit drastic to my hair. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for joining me in this very short hair makeover kind of a thing. I will show you maybe in a couple more videos next time how I actually blow my hair at home, because there is a tool that I've been trying out that I really can't wait to share with you, but I needed to try it out on my own first, like learn the way to use it. So I see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe if you're not. What else? That's all. I'll see you guys. Bye.